Got it.
Hi. Come on, baby. No.
Yeah! Look at them all pulling you.
His face is just like, no, you got to the top and just let you go.
He's like holding it so tight.
It's not like, ready?
Look at him. Look how close the chair is to the floor.
That initial fall is freaking out.
I thought he was going to puke. Baby, no, baby, no. Baby, no.
No.
Fucking does it anyway.
Why am I zoomed in so close to him?
I don't know.
I zoomed it in before.
Did you take it in?
Holy shit.
I don't know if I got his initial face because I was so zoomed in.